Think you know which bikes are perfect for senior riders? Think again. We've spent months researching and testing to find 6 affordable motorcycles that will completely shatter your expectations of what a senior-friendly bike should be. These aren't your typical recommendations. We're talking about bikes that combine surprising performance with unmatched comfort, reliability that puts younger bikes to shame, and features you never knew you needed. Number 1 on our list will absolutely blow your mind. Let's dive in and discover which unexpected bikes made our list. Number 6, Triumph Street Twin. The Triumph Street Twin represents a perfect blend of timeless British design with modern reliability that senior riders can depend on. This stylish, modern classic features a 900cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine tuned specifically for torque production. It generates 65 horsepower and 59 pound-feet of torque, delivered smoothly through a 5-speed transmission. Despite its substantial displacement, the Street Twin isn't intimidating because power arrives low and steady, suiting riders who prefer calm, confident cruising without abrupt surges or wrist strain. The motorcycle weighs approximately 438 pounds and features a low seat height of 29.5 inches. Ideal for seniors who prioritize easy mounting and secure foot placement when stopped. The upright riding posture with slightly forward-set foot pegs and wide handlebars reduces fatigue during extended rides. The build quality reflects Triumph's premium heritage with solid construction and high-end finishes throughout. Currently priced at approximately $9,995 in the United States, the Street Twin represents reasonable value for a premium brand offering exceptional craftsmanship. This motorcycle delivers the perfect combination of classic British styling, modern reliability, and user-friendly performance. For senior riders wanting something classy, dependable, and relaxed without compromising on contemporary features, the Street Twin checks every important box while providing years of enjoyable, trouble-free riding. Number 5. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 stands out as an exceptional budget cruiser designed with senior riders in mind. This motorcycle features a single-cylinder air-cooled 349 cubic centimeter engine that produces 20 horsepower and 19 pound-feet of torque through a smooth 5-speed transmission. The engine delivers power in a calm, predictable manner that never feels overwhelming or aggressive. What makes this bike particularly appealing for older riders is its relaxed riding position with pulled-back handlebars, forward-set foot pegs, and a well-cushioned seat that reduces fatigue during longer rides. The motorcycle weighs 421 pounds, making it light enough for easy maneuvering while still feeling planted and stable on the road. The seat height measures just 30 inches, allowing most riders to place both feet flat on the ground when stopped. Currently priced around $5,800, the Meteor 350 represents outstanding value in the cruiser market. Royal Enfield backs this motorcycle with a comprehensive warranty and expanding dealer network across the country. With proper maintenance, including regular oil changes, this reliable machine can easily exceed 40,000 miles of trouble-free riding, making it an excellent long-term investment for senior motorcyclists. Number 4. Yamaha Vstar 250. The Yamaha Vstar 250 delivers everything senior riders want in a lightweight cruiser without breaking the bank. This motorcycle is powered by a 249 cubic centimeter air-cooled V-twin engine that produces smooth, manageable power through a 5-speed transmission. The engine provides excellent low-end torque while maintaining the classic cruiser character that many riders love. The bike weighs just over 325 pounds, making it extremely approachable and easy to handle even for riders who haven't been on a motorcycle in years. The forward-mounted foot controls and wide handlebars create a natural, upright riding position that reduces strain on the back and wrists. At just 27 inches, the seat height allows riders to easily get on and off the bike and maintain confident footing at stops. The suspension system effectively absorbs road imperfections, while the proven engine design keeps maintenance requirements minimal. Currently retailing for $4,799, the Vstar 250 sits firmly in the budget-friendly category while delivering impressive long-term value. This motorcycle has the potential to last over 35,000 miles with routine maintenance and proper care. The combination of classic cruiser styling, easy ergonomics, and stress-free operation makes the Vstar 250 ideal for older riders who prioritize comfort, simplicity, and affordability above all else. Number 3. Honda Shadow Phantom. The Honda Shadow Phantom brings together rugged styling and the reliable low-maintenance performance that senior motorcyclists highly value. At its heart sits a 745 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers smooth, predictable power through a 5-speed transmission. While not built for aggressive riding, this engine offers plenty of torque in the low and mid-range, making it perfect for leisurely rides through town or scenic country roads. The riding position feels natural and steady, thanks to the low 25.8-inch seat height, wide handlebars, and mid-mounted foot controls. Weighing approximately 543 pounds, the bike has enough presence to feel planted and stable, yet remains surprisingly easy to handle due to its low center of gravity. Senior riders often find the Shadow Phantom reassuringly stable, especially during low-speed maneuvers and when stopped at traffic lights. The motorcycle currently carries a price tag of $8,499, representing a reasonable investment for a machine known to exceed 50,000 miles with routine maintenance. Honda's legendary reputation for durability and their extensive dealer support network across the United States further enhances the long-term ownership appeal. The Shadow Phantom successfully combines relaxed cruiser attitude with smooth performance and dependable engineering, making it an excellent choice for mature riders seeking comfort and reliability. Number 2. BMW G310R. The BMW G310R offers German engineering excellence in a surprisingly accessible and affordable package that appeals to senior riders seeking quality and refinement. This lightweight roadster is powered by a 313 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that produces 34 horsepower through a 6-speed transmission. The engine delivers peppy performance suitable for daily commuting and casual weekend rides without feeling aggressive or overwhelming. The refined fuel injection system ensures smooth, predictable throttle response, which is ideal for riders easing back into motorcycling or those who prefer gentle power delivery. Weighing just 361 pounds, the G310R ranks among the lightest motorcycles in its class, translating to easy parking, effortless low-speed turns, and confident handling at all speeds. The upright riding position and responsive handling make it particularly appealing to seniors who prefer an active riding experience. Currently priced around $5,200 in the United States, this motorcycle offers exceptional value for a machine carrying the prestigious BMW badge and engineering reputation. With basic maintenance, the G310R can easily last upwards of 40,000 miles, and BMW's network of authorized service centers ensures reliable long-term support. This motorcycle proves that senior riders don't need a large engine or significant financial investment to enjoy premium riding quality and German engineering excellence. Number 1. Suzuki Boulevard S40. The Suzuki Boulevard S40 embodies timeless cruiser style with a well-deserved reputation for simplicity and rock-solid reliability. This compact cruiser represents one of the few remaining motorcycles that successfully combines old-school charm with modern dependability. The bike runs on a 652cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine that produces steady torque with a pleasant mechanical character, delivering just enough power for relaxed city cruising and weekend backroad adventures. The 5-speed transmission operates smoothly, while the belt drive system keeps maintenance requirements minimal, something many senior riders appreciate as it reduces both service time and ongoing costs. What makes the Boulevard S40 particularly appealing is its manageable size and excellent comfort. With a curb weight of approximately 381 pounds and an extremely low seat height of 27.6 inches, getting on and off becomes effortless for riders of all heights. The relaxed riding position and well-designed ergonomics make longer rides comfortable and enjoyable. Currently priced around $5,799 in the United States, the S40 stands out as one of the more affordable cruisers available with this level of displacement and classic styling. The Boulevard S40 delivers exactly what senior riders need most: genuine comfort, operational ease, proven reliability, and attractive traditional looks that never go out of style. There you have it. But here's what most senior riders get dangerously wrong. They think the bike choice is everything. The truth is, without the right safety gear designed specifically for mature riders, even the perfect motorcycle becomes a risk. If this helps you choose your next ride, smash that like button and subscribe, because your safety is our next priority.